Hi, girl, you just caught my eye. Thought I should give it a try and get your name and your number. Go grab some lunch and eat some cucumbers. Why did I say that? I don't know why. But you're smiling and there's something I like on your face. Yeah, it suits you. Girl, we connect like we have Bluetooth. I don't know why I'm drawn to you, but you be the other one, so we're close to. This is a based on a lucky chance that you would rather add than subtract. You and I could be like Sonny and Cher, Honey and Bear. You and I could be like Aladdin and Jasmine. Let's make it happen. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Hey, I just need to know that you know why. On your side, 'cause you've been on my mind. You're on 1,000 of mine.